Hello, today we will guide you through how to add signature in KoboToolbox. To begin, open your form in KoboToolbox so you're on the form editing page. This is the area where you can add and configure questions for your survey or data collection form. If you're already inside the correct project, you're ready to move straight into adding the signature field. Once you're on the form editor, click on the plus sign. This opens the option to insert something new into your form. In KoboToolbox, this is the starting point for adding new content, whether that's a question, a media field, or another form element. Next, click on Add Question. This tells KoboToolbox that you want to create a new field in the form. At this stage, you're choosing the type of input respondents will interact with, so it's important to select the option that can later be configured for signatures. From the list of question types, click on Photo. This may seem a little unusual at first, but in KoboToolbox, the signature option is accessed through this field type. So even though you're trying to collect a signature rather than a standard image, this is the correct place to start. After adding the photo field, click on Settings for that question. The Settings area allows you to fine-tune how the field behaves. This is where you can adjust the input type so the field works specifically for signatures instead of regular photo capture. In the Settings panel, click on Select. This opens the available choices for how the field should function. You'll typically see different options related to the input method, and this is where you can switch from a general image field to something more specialized. Now click on Signature. Once selected, the photo field is converted into a signature input field. This means that instead of asking a user to upload or take a photo, KoboToolbox will provide an area where they can draw their signature directly on the screen. This is especially useful for consent forms, approvals, or confirmations collected in the field. Finally, click on Preview at the top left. Preview lets you test the form before deploying it, so you can make sure the signature field appears and works the way you expect. This is a helpful final check to confirm that users will be able to sign clearly and smoothly. And that's how to add a signature field in KoboToolbox. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct in Preview, you can continue editing the form or move on to deployment.